So the issue for the restaurant owners as well is you have different platforms, and that's costly for you. Imagine having your HR, your marketing team, your finance team, your operations team, all collaborating in one and all reporting in one, and you're getting the data in just one application. So it's unified, it's amplified by the features that it gives you.
It's really complete. I've seen a lot of softwares in my life, believe me, and I'm very impressed.
Of course, we use Lark daily in the kitchen. We use it to make constant updates with each other and so that everybody is kept aligned. I also personally use Lark to request ingredients for research and development. So every single time we try to make a new menu item for the restaurant and we don't have the ingredients in stock, I use Lark to coordinate with our purchasing department so that they can procure it immediately. It helps us make our food better, mainly because every single time that we have new menu items and we need to keep somebody aligned, especially for our branches that are pretty far away from the head office, we can instantly make training videos and then send them online so that they can read, review, and watch.
The most beautiful tool is what we are using, which is memorable. I read that every morning. It's like being in the 22 branches at the same time, realizing how things were, how the customer felt. Were they happy? Were they unsatisfied? I read those every morning. I read those for every branch, and I'm still amazed.